Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. Yesterday we have discussed the decimal expansions of a fractions and the decimal expansion is terminating, non-terminating, recurring. Today we will discuss a terminating decimal expansions and in non-terminating and repeating decimal expansions. And then this recurring decimal expansion has to be written in the form of P upon Q, that means in a fraction form. First, this is terminating, that means 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. Here the decimal expansion has been terminated. And second one, we are going to discuss the non-terminating but repeating or a recurring, that is recurring. Now example 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.333 dot. Students, let's take examples. If a decimal expansion is repeating and recurring or a recurring, this is example is write or a convert, write 0.6 bar we have discussed yesterday, that means is equal to 0.666 dot to infinity n to write this one in P upon Q form, where Q is not equal to 0, it is P upon Q form. That is the solution. Solution is, let's take this one as a variable. Let's assume that let x is equal to 0.6 bar. That means x is equal to 0.66 dot to infinity. Let's take this as equation number 1. See students, if only one digit is repeating, here the 6 is repeating, that is 6666666. Then we have to multiply this equation number 1 by, this is equation 1 multiply by 1, that is one digit is repeating, so that means 1, that is 10, 1 and 1 0, that is 10. If 2 digits are repeating, then we can multiply it by 100. If 3 digits is repeating, then we can multiply by the 1000 and dot so on. Now if you multiply this equation 1 by 10, then we write it, left hand side is 10x is equal to the decimal has to this is shifted to right hand side one place, that is equal to 6.6, right, this is 6.666 dot to infinity, that is equation 2. Now check it. If I subtract equation 1 from the 2, then what we will get? Let's check it. Then equation 2 minus equation 1, what we will get? This is 10x is equal to 6.66 dot, and first equation is we have, this is x is equal to 0.666 dot, this one. If you subtract this one, then it will minus 10x minus 1x is 9x. This is equal to 6 minus 6 0, that is 0 0 0 0 0, and 6 minus 6 again 0, and 6 minus 0 6, that is 6.00. If there are 0 or after decimals, there is no value in mathematics basically. Now see, this implies that 9 is multiply on the left hand side. If shift to the right hand side, then it will be and divide and denominator. Just check it. This is 6 upon 9. Now this is 2, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. This implies that x is equal to 2 upon 3. Then x is equal to 2 upon 3. Now this is 0.6 bar is equal to 2 upon 3. The both are equivalent. Right? I hope you have understand this all the steps. First we have taken this is recapitulated is 0.6 bar. You can write it 0.66666 and let example x any variables, it is 0.6 bar and x is equal to 0.66 dot dot. So equation 1 digit is repeating, then multiply by 10. If 2 digit is repeating, then multiply by 100. If 3 digit repeating, multiply by 1000. And now this is equation 1 multiplied by 10. This is 10x is equal to 6.666 to infinity. Now this is equation 2 and 1 has to be subtracted from 2, or you have 2 subtracted from 1. The value will be remain same. That is 10x 6.6 dot 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 dot, and x is equal to this is 0.666. If you divide subtract this one, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, and 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, and 10x minus x, this is 10x minus x is equal to 9x, or like this one. If a lot of students face problem, this is 10x or x, both are like term. That is just like this is if you have a 10 chocolate and if you eat in 1 chocolate, then we have remaining, this is 9 chocolate. See, this is 9 chocolate is equal to 6, and x is equal to 6 divided by 9, that is equivalent to 2 upon 3. That is the problem. Okay, now students, if example number 2, if we have to convert this is 0.12 bar, then in P upon Q form, the same methods process we have to follow this one. I'll look at this one and we will discuss this by tomorrow. I'll just try to do it at your home. Thank you, students.